Today we are going to see smartphone hacks. So without wasting our time, let's begin. On your smartphone type ##07#, then it will show the radiation level of your phone. If it is less than 1.6 watt per kg, then it is correct, but if it's more, then you must change your mobile immediately. What if you got opportunity to write letter and that's to your future, so that you can read it in your future days? Looking great? Let me tell you that it is possible, through website, futureme.org. So after this video you must try this, for fun. #It's demo time. Futureme.org will drive us to the future mail section where we are going to write letter. Dear Talkso Polis, hope so having a good day. This was a demo section if you can remember. Now enter, in which year you want to receive this. You can enter specific date also. Now set this public or private, and then, enter your email address. After this just confirm your email, and that's it. Stop using google.com to search information for school essays, use scholar.google.com instead. You will find more relevant information right away. Great if I knew it in my school days. #It's demo time. Just go to Google and type scholar.google.com. And that's it, you will be switched on to this website. Here you can find essays or information, like, let us say monetization. There is a website called openstax.org that provides free textbooks to college students. It is partially funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. #It's demo time. Choose any subject. I will choose science. Here are various science textbooks. I like physics. And here you download PDF or view online for free. I would like to say that education should be free for all. Oops. Break something? Fixitclub.com will show you step by step how to fix just about anything. #It's demo time. RainyMood.com is a website that makes it sound like it's raining outside. It's amazing if you need to concentrate on studying. #It's demo time. Here's fun one. Press left Alt plus left Shift, and then press Enter, to make your PC make a beeping sound every time you press number. If you are buying something from Apple, then add that product to cart for multiple weeks. They will give you 15% to 20% discount on that item. This is the difference between haircut by razor and haircut by trimmer. Minor difference when seen normal, but major difference when seen at microscopic level. The bonus one, this is not hack, but I found it useful to share with you all. I want to say just one thing. What a cabinet, Canada. Minister of Health is a doctor. Minister of Transport is an astronaut. Minister of National Defense is Sikh veteran. Minister of Youth is under age of 45. Minister of Agriculture and Agri-Food is a former farmer. Minister of Public Safety and Emergency Preparedness was a scout. Minister of Innovation, Science, and Economic Development was a financial analyst. Minister of Finance is a successful businessman. Minister of Justice was a Crown prosecutor and is a First Nations leader. Minister of Sport and Persons with Disabilities is a visually impaired Paralympian. Minister of Fisheries and Oceans is Inuit. Minister of Science is a medical geographer with a PhD. There are scientists in the cabinet, and it is made up of 50% women.
So that's it for today, guys. Please hit like, subscribe and the bell icon in order to be tuned to this channel with many more fascinating videos with no restriction. So till then, goodbye, take care, and keep learning.